Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this one I'll show you how to download, install and set up a VPN app called MazaSIF Pro VPN. This VPN helps you get a strong and stable internet connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment if you have any questions, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's get started. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type MazaSIF Pro VPN from the results, find the correct app by checking its name and icon, then tap Install. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the VPN app. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to do a few simple settings to make sure it connects properly. First, tap on the three lines at the top corner of the screen and select Online Update. This will update the app's resources and make sure you get the best connection. Next, tap on the server box. Here, you can choose a server that works best in your area. For better performance, it's recommended to leave it on auto select so the app automatically picks the fastest server for your location. After that, tap on the country network box and search for UDP. From the list, choose All Country UDP. This option works in most countries. But if it doesn't connect in your country, you can choose your specific network name from the list. If your VPN connection time runs out, you can easily extend it by tapping the Add Time button, so you can continue using the secure connection without interruption. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it connects successfully. That's how you set up and use MazaSIF Pro VPN to get a strong and secure connection while browsing online. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you in the next video.